Here is a fun fact. The Motorola Razr was the best-selling mobile phone in the US market until the iPhone was launched. In fact, to this day, the best-selling flip phone in the world is 2004's Motorola Razr V3 with over 130 million units sold. Now this iconic device is coming back with a modern design, and it looks like we are soon getting the Motorola Razr 2019. At the Mobile World Congress last year, the CEO of Lenovo teased the return of the Razr, and it is finally happening now as some patents have revealed what the company is working on. But don't get your hopes high, because as per a report from Wall Street Journal, the Motorola Razr 2019 is going to be a Verizon exclusive phone, and also it will be priced around $1,500 US. Now you might be thinking why the price is going to be so high. This is because the 2019's Motorola Razr is coming with a foldable display, so let's just talk about the design that these new patents have revealed. So as the image shows, there are no physical buttons like on the original Razr, and there is now a large foldable screen that has a small notch on top for the earpiece. Also, there is no hinge or a crease in between, and it is a single display panel that is foldable, and it's impressive. On the bottom bezel there is a speaker, so chances are that the phone has stereo front firing speakers. Now when the phone is closed, there is a secondary display to do various tasks just like the original Motorola Razr. Now since the display is foldable and the phone needs to be slim so that it doesn't become too thick when it is folded, the battery needs to be placed in that small portion below the screen, and looking at how small that portion is, don't expect a pretty big battery in the Motorola Razr 2019. Obviously if the design is going to be the same as this patent shows. So that's all about the design of Motorola Razr 2019 that this new patent reveals. Now keep in mind that this is just a patent and we cannot say if the company is working on a phone with an exact same design. As I said in the beginning, the phone will be priced pretty high at around $1,500 US, and as per a report, only around 200,000 units of this phone will be produced. Nothing is known about the specifications yet, but since the price is going to be so high, expect top of the line specifications like Snapdragon 855 or maybe 12GB of RAM and 1TB storage. So what do you think of the design of Motorola Razr 2019? Do let me know in the comment section below, and as always I will catch you in the next one.